all. My name is Farha Samir. I'm from class 6B. Nowadays, people look towards eating healthy food to stay fit. So I have devised a new salad recipe which can be enjoyed by kids as well as elders. This recipe is called Pomegranate Cucumber Egg Salad, which is both yummy and tasty. Let's get started. First, we have to remove the shell of the boiled egg. Now I'm going to peel the cucumber. Now I'm going to separate the seeds from the pomegranate. I separated this much. Now I'm going to cut the lettuce. Now I'm going to cut the capsicum. Remove the seeds of the capsicum. Now I'm going to cut the egg. Now I'm transferring the ingredients into the bowl and mixing them well. Add the egg. Adding the egg. Now mix it again. Add the mayonnaise. Our pomegranate cucumber egg salad is ready.